Alright, so here we got this DC-DC step-down converter. It's from AliExpress, and that's the type of it. So it's an LM2596HV Buck Converter. It can convert from 5 volts to 60 volts as an input to 1.25 and 26 volts. Now it's switched on. As you can see, I attached 42 volts of charger, and then there's an LED showing that it is actually working. And looking at the multimeter, it now set to convert it to 12 volts. And I can also see whether the switch actually works. So you can see there's a switch leg there. What we usually do is that we take the positive pin, and it's supposed to be lower voltage than the input, but it's fine if we use the same one. So this is coming from the same input, and once I touch it here, then the LED goes off because it switches off. Then I put it on, and you can also see from the multimeter that it's going on. So now there is 12 volts, I touch it, it switches off to 0 volts. Again, 12 volts, touching it, 0 volts.